Sweet AI from the Institute Robo Learners are here to present our innovation. Can you guess what it is? If I say hot weather, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Yeah, you guessed it right. Ice cream. This is an ice cream topper machine. It holds 4 toppings: gems, chopped almonds, cornflakes, and chocolate chips. We had applied 4 sensors, one for each motor. When we press the touch sensor, the arm will open, the toppings will drop, and the arm will close. We have also used an AI model for our robot. On showing 0, the gems will drop out. On showing 1, the chopped almonds will drop out. On showing 2, the cornflakes will drop out. And on showing 3, the chocolate chips will drop out. So let's check out the demo. Showing demo with touch sensors. I want chocolate chips in my ice cream. So I will press sensor 4 to get chocolate chips. Showing demo from AI. I want gems in my ice cream, so I will show 0.